We're gonna start with the sexy swan. Take it to the side and roll it down. Good. Step, pull through, double, roll.
I make a scene and get upset.
One more time. You're sexy, but you're graceful. Crawl down.
You bring me breakfast in bed and act like there's nothing to forget.
Step, front foot, walk.
Maybe I should count my blessings.
Roll around.
That you're just that type.
Same thing, front foot, step.
Call me masochistic, but
Roll around.
sometimes I want to fight.
Practice. Throw across. Throw across. Up, down, up. Again. Watch Cameron for level 1. Up, down, a little bit faster. One more time. Bring your foot up. Good job. Beginning. Pull. Sexy swan.
I think you might love me to death.
Last one.
The way you do me, boy, you're too
Crawl it low.
You get me up when I wanna be losing my breath.
Walk front.
Maybe I should count my blessings.
Roll around.
That you're just that type.
Front foot step.
Call me masochistic, but sometimes I want to fight.
Step,
Every
throw.
time I leave you, pull
Front.
me closer. I hang up the
Step,
phone,
throw,
you
step,
call me
throw, back, front.
Why don't you miss
Last
me
one.
like you're
Show me that
supposed to?
flamingo.
You're turning me cool 'cause I'm just wanting you to react. Looking for a
Again.
little confrontation. Now I know the nice guys turn me back. The less you do, the more it makes me crazy.
Flamingo, let me see it.
You're turning me cool 'cause I'm just wanting you to react.
Jump. Flamingo. Butt, chest, down.
I hang up the phone, you call me back. Why don't you
You can
mess
touch
me
your
around
body.
like you're
You own it.
supposed to?
Flamingo.
Turning me cool 'cause I'm just wanting you to react. Looking for a little confrontation. Now I know the nice guys turn me back.
I'm watching you.
The more it makes me
Flamingo.
crazy. You're turning me cool 'cause I'm just wanting you to react.
Jump.
You're turning me cool 'cause I'm just wanting you to react.
Did you bop, Ma? I did. So annoyed. Hope that got a reaction out of you. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel, click here for 60-minute sweat sessions, and click here to keep on dancing.